Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel SAP EWM Vlogs. This is Bhanu Teja, working as SCAPMM consultant and EWM consultant. Today I came the new topic, that is what is warehouse door, what is staging area group, staging area, and warehouse door determination. Warehouse door determination. Okay. So let us go into the basic information. So finally, we see the warehouse. Imagine one of the warehouse. So in the warehouse, it contains number of doors. In whenever we go to the inside, it contains inbound doors, and whenever the materials move from outside, move to the outside, you can see the outbound doors also. Okay. So here, how the materials are received, how the materials have been issued using the warehouse door only. Any truck which is received from the vendor will come to the inbound door, and whatever the materials which are sold to the customer, wholesaler or retailer will go to the outbound door. So how these are maintained? So what is the basic information of this topic? Let us go. So warehouse door. A warehouse door is a physical loading. Okay, physically we are having both loading area and unloading area points, the warehouse, where the goods received and goods have been sold. That means leave the warehouse for the sale purpose. So in these cases, the vendor truck will receive to the door in. Okay, to the door in, and it will go to the GR staging area. So it will be unloaded here. Okay. So after that, the material will be loaded into the whenever the material will be loaded into the higher racks in the warehouse. So after that, whenever any customer gets a material should be ordered. Okay. So the stock will be removed from the warehouse, and it will be gone to the another door. Okay. It will be go to the another door, outbound door, and it will go to the staging area. Okay. So whenever a material has been unloaded, it will be sent into the GR staging area, and it will be going into the outbound door. Okay, door out. It's called as door out. Okay. So let us consider. Okay. So here the customer truck will be docked to the outbound door. Okay. So customer truck, that means sales truck. Let us consider as sales truck. Sales truck will be docked to the outbound door. Okay. So okay. So this is called the concept of warehouse door. Okay. So physically, whenever the material will comes from the vendor, it will be docked. The truck will be docked to the inbound door, and here the materials will be unloaded in the GR staging area, and this whenever the materials are being ordered by the customer, retailer, or wholesaler, so the materials have been picked from the high racks, and it will be packed and sent to the GI staging area, where these materials are ready for shipping. Okay, and these materials have been stored in the outdoors, and the sales truck will come into the outdoor, and it will be docked here, and this material will be loaded into the sales truck. Okay, So that is the brief discussion of warehouse door of the warehouse. Now door determination. So door, what is the duty of this door determination? Door determination, door determination automatically assigns the correct warehouse door. For example, I received some products, raw materials, and some materials in packed materials. So raw materials have to go to the door one, okay, and packed materials have to go to the door two, okay. So in that cases, how the system knows which how the system knows that it have to send the raw materials into the door one and the packed materials into the door two by using door determination. Okay, so door determination automatically assigns the correct warehouse door based on predefined rules such as route, shipping point, warehouse number, and staging area group. Okay, staging area group. What is the staging area group? So it's a chronological grouping of staging areas. So whenever, see, let us consider this is the warehouse. Okay, so this is a warehouse. Sorry. This is the warehouse. So this is the GI staging area, GR staging area, and this is the GI staging area. And we are having three doors: door one, door two, and door three. These all are inbound doors, and these all are outbound doors. Okay. So let us consider this as a work center, and these are the high racks. Let us consider this high rack one, high rack two. Okay. So this is the packing work center. Okay. Sorry. This is packing work center. Okay. So here we contain the GR staging area. GR staging area. This is the GI staging area. This is inbound door one, door in one, door in two, door in three, door out one, door out two, and door out three. Okay. So this is the package. This is a deconsolidation center where materials are being come into the one carton. Different materials come into one carton and will be separated here, and it will be stored in the different high racks. This is a storage type one. Store rack one, and this is a store rack two. Okay, this is a packing work center. Okay, work center, and this is a GI staging area. Here we call it 9010 or 9030. This GI staging area is called 9020, 904, and door areas is called as 9040. Okay, so this work center is called 8010. Parking work center is called 8030. Let us consider it's a packing work center. Okay, So here staging area means what is staging area? Staging area means grouping of sections. Group of sections. Okay, let us consider this is a staging area group. Okay, this is called section. Staging area 1. Area 1 and staging area 2. So the group of this staging areas is called a staging area group. Staging area. Okay. So in EWM, this staging area group type is called as role. A storage type role which contains the number 9010. This is for inbound staging area group. Similarly, for outbound staging area group, it's called as a 9030. Okay. Sorry, 9020. Okay. So again we go to here. Here you can see the simple diagram. Vendor sends his materials to the truck and he will dock into the inbound warehouse door. And here we are having different staging areas like staging area 1 and 2 and 3. Here also outbound staging area, that is goods issue staging area 1, 2 and 3. Okay. And so basically inbound deliveries we get through the inbound deliveries are come to the inbound doors. Outbound deliveries go to the goods issue outbound doors. Okay. So you can see the simple the diagram here. Relationship of the each role. Warehouse door is is assigned to the staging area group, to the staging area, and warehouse staff execution. Okay, here you can see the doors. The vendor truck has been docked into the inbound doors, and these are outbound doors. In inbound doors, the materials have been unloaded, and in outbound process, the materials have been loaded using the certain vehicles, warehouse vehicles. So let us consider this is the warehouse doors. You can see door 1, door 2, and door 3. So how these are configured in SAP EWM? Let us see. Okay. So open your SAP, log on, system enter. Here execute the transaction code SPRO. SPRO. Okay. SPRO. So here click on SAP reference IMG, and here you go to the path CM EWM extended warehouse management, and go to master data. Here here click on drop down of staging areas, and here we execute define staging area. Okay. So here click on position, enter the warehouse ASWH. Okay. So here staging area I already told you. The storage type is 9010 for inbound door, and for outbound door, the storage, the door is 9020. I will show you. Here if you go to the master data, click on define storage types, and if you click on the position, here enter the warehouse ASWH, and I will enter inbound staging area is 9010. I showed you in here only. So this is the staging area, GR staging area. Okay, Everything is called as GR staging area. Sorry, GR staging area, and this is a GI staging area, goose issue staging area. GR means goose receipt, and GI is goose issue. Okay. So here again, navigate to SAP and select this storage type. Click on details. So here the storage type role will be staging area group. So here we are having 12 type of storage type roles. That is a standard storage type, identification point, pick point, and both combination for warehouse door. So warehouse is very small, then you can having one work center, that is identification and pick point, staging area group. If you are having uh, a staging area, for example, you are having very one door your warehouse, then a GR staging area and GI staging area are being clubbed into the one space, that is called a staging area group. I already told you staging area group is nothing but the storage type role. Okay, the storage type role is D for goose receipt staging area. Okay, so E is work center. Work center, we are having two type of work centers. Two type of work centers we are having. One is deconsolidation, another one is packing. Okay, F means doors. Okay, so I told you doors. These are doors. Okay, this is the inbound doors, and these are outbound doors. Okay, yard. The outward space of this warehouse is called as yard. Okay, H automatic storage retrieval system, and I is work center and staging area groups, and J automatic warehouse. This is called as MFS. Like you can see in the airport, the bag rollers will that we call as belt, where the bags have been placed and will be moved automatically. Okay, I forgot that name. Okay, no problem. And K is production supply. These roles including in PP and EWM integration. Close this. Okay. So enable this check option, confirm whatever, and whatever roles it will be for general storage area. The general storage area means see here. This outdoor the free space is called as a stage. As well as general storage area. Okay, this free space is called as general storage area, maybe inbound or outbound. Okay, enter. So mixed storage in HUs. Okay, several batches of the same HU product for HU no. As without limitations. So confirm removal, enable checkbox, and save it. Similarly for outbound, the outbound staging area 9030. Okay. It will also act as a door. Okay. This also act as a door. Sorry, this one. Sorry. This one acts as a door. Staging area is called a staging area. And 9010 is also staging area. As a D. Both place the similar role D. Okay, now let us go to 9020. So here also same capacity check maintain problem. Okay, so these are the 9020 is a GI staging area. Come back. So define staging areas. So if we enter ALWH staging area group, this is in staging area group. So this is called as section. Okay, the group of section is called as staging area. Okay, the role the, the role 9010 act as staging area group. Okay. So as we receive the materials to the inbound door, so we have to enable as GR staging area and ALWH 9020. So 9020 it is a goose issue staging area. So this acts as a goose issue staging area. Okay. So I have configured this already. Come back again. Now execute, define staging area and load determination group. So click on position, the warehouse, AWH. Okay, already I created L. Now this one, ASWH. Delete this all. Create new one, ASWH. ASTD. Okay. Mention it as ASWH. Access warehouse, staging area, and door determination group. Okay. Press enter and save it. Okay. So here I've entered staging area and door determination group as ASTD. Okay. ASTD says access staging area door determination group. Okay. Come back. So what are this is a staging door determination one. Again. Okay. I've named it as a different one. Yes. AST1 and AWH, AST2. Okay. Save it. Back. Staging area. Okay. Now go to warehouse doors. Execute define warehouse doors. Here we go to ASWH. Okay. I will delete all this one. So I will copy from this one. Okay. Copy the entries. ASWH, IDOR. And I maintain default staging area group as 9010 and the default staging area as 0001. And, the one is outbound staging area. Here, copy this one. Outbound staging area. So I created two. One is inbound and outbound. Okay. Inbound we can see the IDOR. Okay. Let's consider this is IDOR. Inbound door. This is staging area group 9010. Okay. 010. Staging area is 0001. So this all are comes under 0001. Okay, staging area is 0001. Okay, save it. So assign staging area door determination group to the door. Okay. So here is WH. That's is WH. Select. So I did all the entries. WH. What is the warehouse door? Inbound door. Staging determination group 1. Here also ASWH outbound door. Staging determination group AST2. Okay, save it. Come back. Assign staging area to warehouse door. So we have to assign staging area to warehouse door. Click on selection. Go to by contents. Here enter warehouse number. Enter warehouse door. Staging area group. Staging area. Also here enter warehouse door. Outbound door. Staging area group. Save it. Okay. So not only it is completed, you have to go to another step. That is, you have to go to the transaction code /scwm/stadet underscore. Here enter warehouse number. Click on new entries. Here enter warehouse number ASWH. Staging area AST1. Staging area group 9010. Staging area warehouse door inbound. So 1 minute. Sorry guys, I mistakenly written here. So warehouse process type 1010. I will explain you what is the meaning of introduction of this warehouse process type in further classes. Okay. Let's go to right side. So here we mentioned warehouse door also. Now save it. Again execute //cwn slash stadet underscore out. Okay. Here also click on new entries. We maintain for outbound doors and outbound staging area. Here the warehouse process type will be 2010 for stock removal, and the staging area we have to select as AST2. Staging area group will be 9020. Staging area will be 0001. Warehouse door is outbound door. Okay. So here you can see. So here the warehouse process type will be 2010. Okay. To remove the stock from the high rack, and to move to the packing work center, and to move the stock to the GI staging area. So the warehouse process type will be 2010. The staging area group will be 9020. Staging area is 201. Here also 201. Okay. And warehouse door is outbound door. I mentioned as outbound door. Okay. 40. Okay. Now save it. Save. Come back. Now assignment. Okay. Station slash SEWM slash stadet underscore ASS. So here, please note the transaction code station slash SEWM slash stadet underscore ASS. That means change view access sequence for staging areas and door. Okay. Click on new entries. Direction is inbound. 1. Boros pulse type, termination group, door. And here also outbound door. Access sequence. V1. So these 3 checkboxes should be mandatory and save it. So now we have configured everything. Finally, we have to assign this this data to the product master record. So before creating the product master, I have to create a material master. So example, I create one of the material master. The transaction code is MM01. Press enter. Here enter I will sample mat. Okay, I create the sample mat. Name as sample mat. Enter industry type is mechanical engineering. Material type is raw material. Center. Select the rules. Select the views here. Basic data 1, data 2, sales area, sales organization data 1, sales organization data 2, sales general plan data, purchasing data, general plan data storage 1, general plan data storage 2, and accounting 1, accounting 2, WM execution and WM packaging. That's enter. Here under the plant, ASVZ or ASHY. So receive on dock. Store location is receive on dock. Sales organization is ASSO. And, the distribution channel will be AS. Okay. Click on press enter. The material ledger is not active, so no problem. To the material ledger, we have to use the transaction code CKM start. Okay. So here enter the plant ASHY. We are having the 2 plants. One is for Hyderabad, another one is for Visakhapatnam. Disable these 2 checkboxes and execute. Okay, successful. Similarly for another plant, enter ASVG. This for Vizag. Disable these 2 checkboxes and execute. Okay, done. Now let us create the material master record. Execute MM01. We enter external material code. Sample mat1. Industry type is M. Mechanical engineering. Material type is raw material. Press enter. Select the required views. Okay. Set as default setting. Execute. Enter the plant. Visakhapatnam. Access Visakhapatnam storage area. It's also called as plant. Store location is ROD. This organization is ASSO. Distribution channel is ASS. Press enter. So here we have to enter all the tax codes. Okay, center. Here enter general item category group is North. Here availability check is also 01. Loading group is 201. Press enter. So you don't enter anything here. In accounting, you enter valuation class 3000 and make sure the material ledger checkbox should be ticked always. It's very, very mandatory. Per unit rate is 1000 I'm entering, and it is moving average price. Here the input will be V. Okay, moving average price. Press enter. Press enter. On yes. Also on warehouse execution. The data already created. Okay. So here click on MMSC. You have to extend for available for sale. MMSC. Tail is sample match. Enter the plant. Store location AFS. Click on save it. Now we have to create this as a product master record. Okay. So enter the transaction code /and/ CWM/MAT1. Press enter. Enter the material, warehouse number. So party entitled to disperse will become automatically. Click on create. So here the all the views from this ERP will come by default. You can see here. Okay, window measure will be each, properties, everything will come here. Now coming to warehouse data. So here we have to mention the staging area door determination group. So AST1. Okay. So if you want to maintain only single staging area determination group, then you can maintain on single one. Okay. So and set. So this is the process of creating the warehouse doors, staging area determination group. So this is up to now. So and hope you have liked the video. So in the next section we will discuss about a simple inbound process. Okay, simple inbound process, and please practice this section thoroughly, and let us meet in another video. So thank you very much. Like the video, share it, and subscribe for the more videos. Thank you very much.